Hello everyone. It's exactly 1 year since we transplanted this house avocado, and as you can see, they've really grown. We tested the soil; it's a bit acidic, so we've put agricultural lime with the dolomite, which has calcium and magnesium. The new leaves are healthy, so let's go show you a few of these trees. Since 1 year, you can see it's budding to flower again. We've removed flowers 3 times. This will be the 4th time, and then the 5th time we'll let them bear a few fruits. So as you can see, it's 1 year old since we transplanted, and this is a house avocado. They grow at different rates. As you can see, this one it's smaller than the others. Still 1 year. I think in the next 2 months, when the short rains start by December, they will be ready to carry fruits. See how big they are. And this is 1 year since we transplanted. You can see the buds forming the buds to flower. As I said, 4th time, so we'll be deflowering for the 4th time, sorry. So we are quite happy with the progress. The painting, it's to prevent sunburn, and also termites from climbing the stem. So remember, this is 1 year. So you can see this one is shedding off the leaves, and it's getting new shoots that are healthy. So hopefully with the lime to neutralize the pH will be good. So my people, that's the update on our house avocado, 1 year old since transplanting. We've been practicing proper agronomical farming using organic products, feeding the trees, fungicides, all organic to prevent any infection, manure, compost animal manure. So far, so good. The orchard is taking shape pretty well. At 1 year, the lower block looks like this. Remember, I mentioned the acidic soil which we've limed at the base of the trees. We are quite impressed by the development and the growth of the trees. As I said, the orchard is taking shape. All these at 1 year. We are expecting the short rains this week as per the weatherman. Definitely this is going to be a great improvement on the orchard. After feeding the trees, taking care of them, this is what we have. See the new shoots and the size of the avocado tree. That's generally what we have. Very, very impressive. Look at these new shoots. So in the next 3 months, this tree will be able to carry a few fruits. I'm sure they'll be able to carry those fruits because they're quite big. Look, I see all these new shoots, fresh shoots, and the size of the tree, which is 1 year since we transplanted. It's a bit of weeding that needs to be done, quite a lot. But so far so good. This is a replacement, and we've grafted on the side. See how it's going to do. Really, really impressive. Look at the size of this is the avocado tree at 1 year. Absolutely amazing at the growth. And being a hot climate, we're sure they'll be able to carry a couple of fruits. And I'll keep you posted in my next video, which will come probably after a couple of months when they start flowering. As I mentioned, they've been flowering, and this is the 5th time that we are going to deflower, and we've decided we'll let them carry the fruits, even if they have to carry 20 each. And I'll keep you posted on that. Bye for now. See you in my next video.